What's up, YouTube? CJD here from Chris's Junkyard Designs. Another episode of Wheel Swap Wednesday. I have 3 cars to show that I did. You guys follow me on Instagram. I'm sure you'll know which ones they are. So we'll start off. We got 2 Tomicas and a Hot Wheels. So the first one here is the Tomica Lamborghini Huracan S20. I didn't do before and after. I forgot. I just changed them, but they had those regular black plastic Tomica wheels, generic wheels that they always have on their low end models. And I put these chrome, like 5-star ones on here, 5-spoke, whatever you want to call them. They look freaking sick on there. Absolutely. Way better than what they were. And those black ones. I'll try and get a little closer, see. I did the exhaust pipes in the back. That's really all that needed to be done on the outside. Oh, and I did the black in the lines to actuate the accent on the door panels. So they're all blacked in, all the lines. I did that. A little bit. Which I thought came out pretty good. Yeah, and she's a roller, and these are real riders. And I did do the inside. Actually, I did a lot on the inside, but it's very hard to see. Accented like a green metallic for the seats. The gauges are done. Shifter's done. I did some details on the dash. There's a few things done in there. I think it came out pretty cool. These Tomicas are great. Just the wheels suck on all of them. But once you do this, it's like a premium car. I love Tomicas. Absolutely love them. So very cool. And then we got one in blue that I did the same thing. I put the same wheels on, so they look the same. I did the black on the door lines, all the body lines. And I did the tailpipes on this one as well, exhaust pipes. And the interior is done as well in the blue, if you can see it. Accented all the seats, same exact thing, just in blue as the green one. I did everything exactly the same, just in different colors, so they match. Yeah. So that is the 2 Tomica Lamborghini Huracans, which look awesome. Awesome casting. All right. And the other one I did, I really like, is that Mercury Cougar I said I was going to do. And I did that in the white. I forgot I had these white ones. I was going to do in regular black NASCAR tires, but these white ones look a lot better. And she does roll. This one wheel, it's the axle. It's not the thing. I don't know what happened, if I got a little bit of glue in it or not, but they do free roll. They're not hitting the fenders at all. It looks like they might, but they're in there. Did a lot of detailing on this. The front headlights there, the bottom lights. I did the body lines on this too in the black. Exhaust tips, tail lights. And I did the little body panel things there in the black too. I think she looks freaking awesome. I love this casting. And the underneath, I just did the exhaust pipes. Wanted to keep it simple, not do too much. And the inside of this is done a lot too. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. It's such a pain in the butt. But I did the seat belts in red. You can see them there. And the buckles are in silver. And dash is done. Shifter's done. I did these bars on the black window here in black. You can't really see though. There is a roll bar in there, and that's red too, but I don't know. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit better. See in there. So it's hard to see in these cars unless you're right there, but she's all done up. This is a keeper for my collection, so I love it. These came off that Treasure Hunt 57 Chevy that I put Real Riders on. I knew I'd use them again, and it was perfect for this car. So that'll do it, guys. Quick video for my wheel swap Wednesday. Next week is going to be this one car here. I can tell you that right now. I think this is the one I'm going to work on next week. This baby, for sure. And then maybe I'll pick another one. I don't have another one in mind yet, but we'll see. I definitely want to do this one. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for all your likes and all your comments. I really appreciate it. Take care and have a great night.